Welcome to the project demonstration of LoRa based data transmission and receiving at the displaying the message on the LCD screen along with buzzer alerts. So here we have interfaced the two LoRa modules with one Bluetooth module. So whenever we send a message from the Bluetooth mobile phone like voice commands, so the voice commands will be converted into the text and that data will be sent from the LoRa transmitter end. So means data from mobile phone to the HC05 Bluetooth module, and that was given to the data as input to the LoRa module, and from there the data will be transmitted. So if another LoRa module exists in between the region, then it will receive the data and that will be decoded by our PIC microcontroller. So here we are using PIC 16F73 microcontroller. So the received data will be displayed on this 16:2 LCD screen, and also whenever a new message arrives, then there will be a light indication, this green LED indication along with the buzzer indication. So coming to this motherboard, so we are going to provide the 5 volts input from this adapter. So from this adapter 5 volts input to this LoRa as well as Bluetooth module. So when we provide the 5 volts power supply to this motherboard, it start reading input from the LoRa module, and this capacitor is used to remove the spikes whenever we are getting the regular power supply. And so this one is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller. So just to restart the microcontroller, and this steel plated one is a crystal oscillator which will provide the 20 megahertz clock pulse to the microcontroller. So the main purpose of the clock pulse is, so any controller need a clock pulse to execute the set of instructions. Okay, so for that purpose we are providing the clock pulse. So here, so 20 mega clock pulse, nothing but 20 mega instructions per second will be executed by our microcontroller. So next here the red LED is going to be the power status indication, and green LED indication for the message arrive indication, and this buzzer consists of one transistor and one resistor. So microcontroller will trigger the transistor with the help of this base resistor with 1 kilo ohm, and when we trigger that transistor, the buzzer will get switched on. So here we are using 5 volt operated piezo buzzer. So let us see the demonstration. Before switching on the kits, we need to install this voice to text application in your mobile phone, and then initially switch on the transmitter. So then the light blinks very fast on this Bluetooth module as it's not yet paired to the mobile phone. So now go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone. So pair to the new Bluetooth mobile module. So search for that. So there it will display the or HC05 model name. So once displayed, just we need to pair to that, right? And the password is 1234. So this is only initial setup. So in order to make this HC05 in the history, and then open our application. So options, connected device, and then now the history consists of our HC05. So pair with that. Once pairing was successfully done, you can see the blinking red got slowed down. So then you can switch on this receiver section. So when you switch on that, the buzzer and LED on and off 2 times, and there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. If you want to send the voice commands as text message, so just tap here. Hello. So initially beep comes, and then after what is the message? The new arrival message will be displayed on the LCD screen. HVS Technologies. Hyderabad. So here data is encrypted when it's transmitting from the LoRa module to the receiver LoRa module, and after that decryption in this module, the data will be converted into the serial data. So serial data nothing but it consists of 2 connections, the transmitting and receiving. That will be given to our microcontroller, and that will display on the parallelly connected LCD module. So here interfacing connections are LoRa module interface at B0, B1 and C4 for the LED parallelly to the buzzer, and pin number B2 to B7 for this LCD module. So here directly the Bluetooth module transmitting pin is connected to the receiving pin of our LoRa module, and the receiving pin of Bluetooth module connected to the transmitting pin of our LoRa module. Right.